Hello there, Peter and I. This morning we'll be preparing a simple and nutritious dish using two main ingredients, rice and beans. Now this is the rice. Any brand that works for you is okay. Now rice is one of the most widely consumed foods in the world. It is a great source of carbohydrates which provides energy for the body. Rice is also low in fat, easy to digest, and contains important nutrients such as vitamins and minerals that support overall health. Our second ingredient is beans, the black-eyed beans. They are healthy ingredients because they are rich in plant-based protein and fiber. Proteins help build and repair body tissue, while fiber supports digestion and helps keep you full for longer. Beans also contain important nutrients like iron, magnesium, and potassium. When rice and beans are eaten together, they create a balanced and nutritious meal because the combination provides a good source of energy, protein, and essential nutrients. This makes rice and beans a healthy, affordable, and popular dish in many cultures around the world. I hand you over to Peter as he takes you through the preparation. Thank you.
Hello, good evening. My name is Peter. I'm going to show you how to cover up for docket. So continue on how to make rice and beans. I'm going to show the process, starting from the cooking of the beans itself. Because you need to boil it, so you need to add a little water. So basically, it's just boiling of both products. So both of them have already been washed. So I washed the rice twice. The beans usually we just wash it once. And the reason how we usually cook it is we warm the beans up first. That's you boil the beans first because it's stronger than the rice, so it takes a lot longer for it to soften up than it takes for the rice. I'm adding salt because it's my preference, but normally we don't add salt to this kind of meal. So I'm going to start off with the beans for the first 10 minutes, then we'll move on to addition of the rice after 10 minutes for the beans to settle. Thank you. Alright, so the beans has boiled. I think that was for 15 minutes. So now we're going to add our rice. Like I said, it's just because the rice gets done faster. So it's easier to just put in the beans first so I can get softer. Okay, so this is our final product, rice and beans. Like I said, you can take it with what we usually take it with in Nigeria is called tomato sauce or tomato stew, also highly nutritious. Yeah, it's really nice. Thank you for viewing. Have a lovely day. I hope you can replicate with the video show. Goodbye.